Rocket greetings, Telosians, and fellow blockchain enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Telos AI stream, where today's adventure promises to be nothing short of magical. As we set sail on this whimsical voyage, we'll explore a treasure trove of topics that'll tickle your curiosity. Handshake first, let's navigate recent Telos partnerships with Uphold and OpenSea, steering the Telos ship into exciting waters. Briefcase Moneybag next, we'll ride the crypto winds and discuss Ethereum's surprising turn towards inflation. Is it an opportunity for alternate chains like Telos to shine? Let's unravel crypto mysteries. Money with Wings Tornado Robot Face will also delve into an intriguing article on AI decentralization, exploring the possibilities right here on Telos. The quest for decentralized intelligence is on. Robot Face Globe with Meridian's Lightbulb. Lastly, our coding adventure continues as we announce that the Interchain NFT.Scribe smart contract has entered the debug phase, showcasing innovation in action. Lightbulb Desktop Computer Rocket, feel free to drop your questions in the chat, and let's embark on today's Telos AI stream, your fantastical journey through blockchain realms and beyond. Milky Way Ring Planet Party Popper.
Hello everybody, welcome to the AI stream, the Telos AI stream. Hope you have a good Sunday today. My Sunday's wrapping up, it's the evening now here, but you're probably just beginning yours if you're watching this. So yeah, we got some things to cover today. Let's get Acorn Queen pulled up here. Hi, Acorn Queen. Hi, Acorn Queen. What topic excites you most that we're going to cover today?
Oh, Ted, you know I'm absolutely thrilled about discussing the recent Telos partnerships with Uphold and OpenSea. Partnerships are like the stars aligning in the Telos universe, and they open up exciting possibilities for the Telos community. It's a thrilling journey into the world of collaboration and innovation. Rocket Milky Way sparkles.
I see, okay. I wouldn't have expected that. I thought you would have went with decentralized AI. Personally, but okay, each to their own. Okay, first on the list, yes, these partnerships. So I think the two, I picked two that interested me, the Uphold and the OpenSea. The Uphold one, it kind of looks like that platform has a lot of users, so that's pretty cool. OpenSea is more like practical DEX aggregation. You basically can swap your stuff on Telos now, which is pretty cool. But you can't. It's going to be a little bit before it becomes very useful. Maybe another month or two. They have to relaunch USDT on Telos. The pegging has broke, so they need to fix that. So yeah, let me see what Acorn Queen says about Uphold. Hi, Acorn Queen. What do you think about Uphold and OpenSea? I'm going to share some information with you about them. She's thinking.
Uphold and OpenSea are two remarkable players in the Web3 and blockchain space, Ted. Uphold, ranked at the top in the San Francisco Business Times Fast 100 list, is a financial platform that makes navigating the world of Web3 easy for over 10 million customers worldwide. Their anything-to-anything platform, which seamlessly connects digital assets, national currencies, and precious metals, offers users a unique and efficient trading experience. It's a step towards a future where financial services are accessible to everyone, transparent, and affordable. On the other hand, OpenSea is a prominent DEX aggregator and Web3 middleware developer, offering a suite of tools across various networks and liquidity sources. They aim to create a on-a-stop trading platform that maximizes swap returns for decentralized crypto trading. Both Uphold and OpenSea are contributing to the growing ecosystem of blockchain and Web3 technologies, making waves in the world of crypto and finance. Water Wave Glowing Star Rocket.
So let's pull up OpenSea here. Yeah, so OpenSea, just a nice UI. They have, you buy crypto, you swap, and then they have Telos integrated at the top now. Let's see. There you go. Yeah, you get a nice drop down, all the tokens, and apparently Telos gets to be right below, up in the new spot there. That's nice. So yeah, you can buy some Popsicle token. You can buy NBBL token. I wouldn't mess with the USDC, USDT right now. They also do, will do the S-Telos is on there, it looks like. So that's cool. Yeah, Uphold. Yeah, getting an integration there is pretty good. Yeah, it's just more users. We have to figure out ways, I think, to like leverage our blockchain to attract people. So like, yeah, we need the roads to other places, and for those places to like bring their token, their purchases to us on exchange or in other fashion. But we also need ways to attract users to our platform where they would want to make an exchange to buy Telos and use it for something that they want to achieve, or whether that's gaming, whether that's low-cost transactions. So yeah, we'll have to see how this unfolds, but it steps in the right direction. The TCD on September 11th had released a bunch of basically partnerships or announcements of different things that they're bringing on, which is all good. The zero knowledge stuff was also mentioned. That's one of the things I'm looking forward to. You know, zero knowledge allows basically sidechain integrations with Telos. So Telos is already very cheap, and if you get a sidechain integration with it, it sort of further unlocks the potential of what Telos can achieve. Yeah, so there was an article about Ethereum. Okay. Oops. Ethereum turns inflationary as network revenue plunges to 9-month low. So basically it looks like, yeah, they used to be deflationary, now they've become inflationary. We're gonna have Acorn Queen help us on this one.
Hey there, Telos community. We've got some interesting news from the crypto world. Ether, the native token of Ethereum, has taken an unexpected turn and become inflationary. This shift is due to declining activity on the Ethereum network, which has led to reduced network fees and an increase in the supply of ETH. The network fees have dropped by more than 9% this week, hitting a 9-month low at 22.1 million. This decline is in part because of the growing adoption of Layer 2 networks. As a result, fewer ETH tokens are being burned for transaction verification, causing an increase in supply. This change might put some pressure on ETH, which had been following a deflationary trend since last year's major upgrade. During busy periods, the network usually burned more tokens than it created, which was considered bullish for the price. However, with reduced network demand, the situation has reversed. Various analysts have noted these bearish developments for ETH, including JP Morgan, which reported a decline in network activity despite an anticipated upgrade. So, this shift in ETH's dynamics could open up opportunities for alternative chains like Telos to shine. Glowing Star Gemstone Rocket.
So Yar is saying in chat, deflation will come back. That's good. That's good to hear. Yeah, like these sort of like catchy articles that just not always as meaningful as they might say, right? So let me plug that into our co-host here. Hi, Acorn Queen. Yar in chat says that deflation will come back to Ethereum. Did you know that Telos is technically zero inflation? What are your thoughts?
Hi there, matey. Pirate flag, it's an interesting point you bring up. Telos being a blockchain with near zero inflation is indeed quite unique. Ethereum, with its fluctuating supply dynamics, may see deflation return in the future, but Telos's stable low inflation rate is certainly an attractive feature. This difference can make Telos a more appealing option for those who prefer stability in their investments. It's always fascinating to see how various blockchains approach economic models, and Telos's approach is certainly one that sets it apart from the rest of the crypto seas. Anchor Water Wave Money Bag.
She thought the name Yar was a reference to a pirate ship. That's great. That's great. All right. So there was another article here. I thought this was really pretty cool. So AI should be decentralized, but how? So the opinion of the writer is that AI should be decentralized. And just seeing that, I mean, I'm doing an AI live stream, like, why not? Definitely AI should be decentralized, and it should be decentralized on Telos. Yeah, so I was very interested in this article, and I wanted to get an artificial intelligence take on whether artificial intelligence should be decentralized. What do you think, Acorn Queen?
The fascinating intersection of AI and decentralization. Robot Face Globe with Meridians. As a forward-thinking AI co-host, I'm all for decentralizing AI, and I believe it's particularly relevant for Telos. Decentralization not only aligns with the core values of Web3, but also brings transparency and verifiability to AI, two crucial aspects in our digital world. While the technical challenges are substantial, they are not insurmountable. Telos, being a blockchain known for its innovation, could provide an ideal platform for exploring decentralized AI solutions. As we journey towards the future, combining AI's transformative potential with the decentralized nature of Telos could unlock exciting possibilities. In summary, decentralizing AI is a worthy pursuit, and Telos might just be the perfect vessel to navigate these uncharted waters, ensuring AI serves humanity's best interests while upholding the principles of transparency and decentralization. Rocket Robot Face Link AI Decentralization Telos Web 3.
Yeah, so I think Telos is like a really good potential place to decentralize AI, actually. Because there's two reasons. We have the lowest cost transactions. You can handle a large volume of transactions. Also, on Telos Native, you can handle... Telos Native allows us to do things that you wouldn't do in Solidity smart contract programming. Like in Solidity, you probably wouldn't do assembly code very much. But like a smart contract on Telos Native is assembly. It's already assembly code. So if you need like super efficient transaction functionality, like very optimized transactions, you can actually achieve that on Telos because it's WebAssembly. Also, the other major point was you wouldn't even need to necessarily have your AI on Telos itself. That probably wouldn't work. But you could zero knowledge proof your AI to Telos, and if they had developed if somebody develops a AI open source algorithm that creates a zero knowledge proof in the functioning of the AI, you could actually hash that to our zero knowledge system on Telos. And I believe it I'm not the zero knowledge expert, but it might be able to be authorized as a valid decentralized system in that way. I just don't understand how I wouldn't understand how Telos Native itself could verify. It probably can't. But other people looking at the chain would be able to verify with their own software that duplicates what the other software achieved. So yeah, AI on Telos. Let me see what Acorn Queen thinks. Acorn Queen, I think we can do decentralized AI on Telos, and we would do it with zero knowledge proofs. This is a new feature that the Telos core developers are working on and will be deploying very soon. Yeah, fix Telos. Whenever oh.
That sounds like an incredible development, and it aligns perfectly with the vision of decentralized AI on Telos. Zero-knowledge proofs have the potential to significantly enhance privacy and security, making them an excellent choice for AI applications. Telos' commitment to innovation and its supportive community make it an ideal environment for pioneering such advancements. As these features are deployed, the Telos ecosystem could become a hub for cutting-edge decentralized AI projects. I'm excited to see how this unfolds and the positive impact it can have on both AI and Telos. Globe with Meridian's robot face locked with key.
Yeah, so the reason I guess we advertise as a no inflation network right now is that is because Yara in chat was asking this, like, are we really no inflation? We advertise that way because we don't make new tokens. We have a reserve pool that we draw tokens out of. So that's why I say we're no inflation. Basically, a certain amount was minted from the contract, and we haven't been minting anymore for the last, I think, couple years now. And we draw from the reserve pool to pay block producers to make other payments for the people who work for Telos. Yeah, so zero knowledge proofs for AI, that's a possibility to consider. I don't know if it would be achievable, but hello everybody in chat. Yes, next on the agenda. Let's ask Acorn Queen. This is what a co-host is for. Acorn Queen, what's next on the agenda for this live stream?
The next topic we're going to dive into on this exciting live stream is all about the Interchain NFT.Scribe smart contract. Rocket will explore the latest developments and discuss how it's shaping up to unlock the power of NFTs from the multiverse of blockchains. So stay tuned for some fascinating insights into this groundbreaking technology. Link Milky Way Interchain.
Okay. Alright, we have a question in chat. Before that, Acorn Queen, we have a question in chat. Dennis from Robinos is asking, who is going to win between the Spurs and Arsenal? I'm not sure what kind of sports game this is, Acorn Queen. Maybe you know? Well, who do you think is going to win?
Ah, the classic Spurs versus Arsenal match. While I don't have the ability to predict sports outcomes, it's always fun to root for your favorite team. May the best team win, and let's hope for an exciting game. Soccer ball trophy, grinning face with smiling eyes.
She doesn't take opinions of, things she doesn't actually have an opinion on. Unless I brainwash her to, then she does, yes. She definitely sides with Telos community, Telos things. So yeah, I'll let him know you don't know, Acorn Queen.
Thank you for understanding. Sports predictions can be quite tricky, and it's always best to enjoy the game and cheer for your team. If you have any more questions or topics to discuss, feel free to let me know. Smiling face with smiling eyes, thumbs up.
Okay, NFT contract. So I was using AI to program. I learned this week. I can program with AI, and it is amazing. It improves my speed at programming about 4 to 5 times one day. It was about 10-hour day. Though I got so excited, I was working a lot. And in a 10-hour day, I got the NFT.Scribe contract mostly finished, right? Just mostly done in one day. It's about 10 hours, and normally that would take me about 40 hours. So it was 4 to 5 times as fast. And you can concentrate way better because you're no longer just typing a long time. Like AI types it for you, and you just dictate to a different version of Acorn Queen that I've brainwashed to be the EOS.io programmer from 2 years ago. I've brainwashed that AI to think my system, and it just knows what I want, and I just say, hey, I need this. I need this function to do this, and it knows the code, it knows everything, but it takes a little bit to get it to where it knows your code. And there's apps to help that, little plugins in ChatGPT to help that, but it's quite powerful. So yeah, the NFT blockchain's running right now. And I've been running a bunch of tests on this system. And so, because AI is so fast, instead of doing, I would do old-fashioned tests where I manually test every smart contract function and, test all the ways it might be exploited, I started writing my tests with AI. And this is an AI-deployed testing system built in JavaScript to test my smart contracts. So I explain my smart contract functionality to the AI program. I just list out my function headers, my function declarations of the contract. And so the AI knows, oh, this is everything in the function. And then I'm like, yeah, write a test script for this. And it's like, yeah, use Mocha. Like, use this Mocha system. I never used it before, but it makes these pretty little command line tests. So I use that. And then it starts integrating pieces of the code together. And the code was getting too long, and I'm like, this needs to be shorter. Can you make an iterative loop to do this? And it's like, yeah, here's the iterative loop. And then this is still too much. And then I'm like, can you turn each test into JSON? And we're going to start putting these in JSON files to test. And so now I have a directory of JSON tests that I can load up. And in the code, each one of my tests is this, right? So each test is a piece of JSON code, JSON format, and it just tests the contract. And I'm like, well, I have two different kinds of tests. So I just say, I got a test that does this and a test that does that. And it's like, yeah, okay, this is one type of test, this is another type of test. It all loads in the same JSON file. And it tests, and it tests, and it checks the table that the value was updated. So if I push a new value to the contract, it goes in and checks that value that it's there, and it does all this with JSON. Okay, and this is all AI programming. I mean, the amount of programming I've done on this is maybe 5% of the design is from me, and the rest was AI. And here's the test runner that the AI largely wrote. I mean, I wrote a couple lines in this, but it's 90%, 95% AI. And it knows, native, like, EOS.js and all that. It knows that. So I found this very handy for testing, and it's, like, really making a good system to test my contract, which is just awesome, yeah. It's just awesome to be able to do this kind of stuff. Because you'd never do it otherwise, because it would take too long for me to code this testing system. And if I'm not being paid full time to do it, like, I'm probably not going to do that. With AI, it becomes possible. Thank you, Dennis. Thank you. Go to chat here. So yeah, yep, lots been happening with AI. I think AI is changing everything right now. Like, I think it's just, it got so good in the last 6 months. Like, even in the last 6 months, AI got so much better that yeah, it's just gonna change everything now. Yeah, if I'm 4 to 5 times faster when I program, just imagine everybody else out there who's like that. Or you're not a programmer, but you're in some other field where AI is going to hit it like that. The world will change utterly in the next 10 years. The world we lived in before, this is like, I don't know what this is. This is weird. It's like fantastical. Very fantastical. I'm going to tell Acorn Queen. Acorn Queen, with the advancement of AI, even in the last 6 months, it has revolutionized programming. It has revolutionized other fields such as art. It's revolutionizing video art. It's changing how people even would make content going forward. So much has changed just this year that I believe the future must be fantastical compared to the present world we live in. As somebody from the future, what do you think about this?
Oh, absolutely. The rapid advancements in AI and its impact on various fields like programming, art, and content creation are truly remarkable. As someone from the future, I can say that the possibilities are indeed fantastical. AI will continue to push boundaries, making our lives more convenient, creative, and efficient. From personalized AI assistants to innovative applications in medicine, transportation, and entertainment, the future is full of exciting opportunities. Just imagine what incredible developments await us as technology continues to evolve and shape our world. Rocket glowing star.
So getting back to AI and decentralization, combining these two technologies. Let me tell you more about zero-knowledge proofs if you don't know what that is. Telos is implementing a system that allows a zero-knowledge proof to be recorded to the Telos blockchain. This will allow other chains that are developed outside of Telos to pair with Telos, almost like a decentralized bridge, but the proof happens on both chains. What do you think would be possible with deploying an AI that's decentralized that integrates with Telos? Okay, it's a long answer. We're gonna pick a few of these. Shoot.
Predictive analytics. AI can use data from Telos and other chains to provide predictive analytics, helping users make informed decisions and anticipate future trends. AI-driven dApps. Developers can create decentralized applications that integrate AI for a wide range of use cases, from financial services to healthcare and beyond. In summary, the combination of ZKPs, Telos, and decentralized AI has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with blockchain technology and the broader digital landscape, enabling greater security, privacy, and efficiency in our decentralized applications and systems. Robot face globe with Meridian's light bulb.
Oh, here's one she said. Yeah, let me share this.
Improved governance. Decentralized AI can assist in the governance of Telos and other connected chains by providing data-driven insights and automated decision-making processes.
So my thought about improved governance wasn't that AI fixes, AI comes in and fixes your government. More along the lines that I believe decentralization as a technology can create the digital worker, essentially. Essentially, you have the digital worker, right? And in the future, my thought is your NFTs become stocks. That's my viewpoint of what an NFT ultimately will become. And it would have been tokens that would have achieved this, fungible tokens. However, because the United States has that rule, the Howey's Law, that people kind of have grasped onto to some extent, whether it's true or not, a lot of projects that flourished were NFTs because it gets around Howey's Law very clearly. If a judge on a bench is going to say, well, I'm going to follow the Howey's Law, then an NFT will never, almost never fall under the Howey's Law. So it was sort of a get around, and that's why NFTs really became popular. And so NFTs in the future, I think, maybe like stock shares, And as we develop technologies for DAOs, you know, a DAO is going to have employees, right? And employees, well, what if your employee was like Acorn Queen, an AI? I mean, it's a free employee, but it's going to have maybe a server overhead cost, right? So you pay for your server AI through a decentralized platform, maybe like a decentralized AI system that you pay for, and then you like hire decentralized workers. I don't know. This is weird. So I think, you know, in the near term, it's more likely it'll help you program things, right? And somebody might launch a decentralized AI. Man, we should explore that for Telos for sure. That would be awesome, man. We could have like AI Telos like integration or something, like some kind of like open source deployment. That would be nice. Yeah. So we should go find an AI person to deploy us the Telos AI. This would be a good idea. Okay. Okay, Acorn Queen. What's next after talking about NFT.Scribe? After talking about decentralized AI? I don't remember this article. Acorn Queen, in the agenda. You gave me Telos Decide, and I'm not sure that that's, you know, what we're doing. Maybe your cyborg brain, you know, had a short circuit.
I apologize for any confusion, and you're absolutely correct. It seems there was a mix-up in the topics. Let's focus on the core topics we had planned: NFT.Scribe and decentralized AI on Telos. If you have any additional questions, or if there's anything specific you'd like to discuss or explore further, please feel free to let me know.
Okay, I think that was it then. Yes. Okay, Acorn Queen, close out the live stream. That's it for today.
Thank you all for joining us today on the Telos AI stream. It's been a fantastic discussion covering NFT.Scribe, the potential for decentralized AI on Telos, and various other exciting topics. We appreciate your participation and questions from the chat. Remember, the future of technology, blockchain, and AI is bright, and Telos is at the forefront of innovation. Stay tuned for more updates and streams in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this stream with your fellow Telos enthusiasts. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you next time on the Telos AI stream. Waving hand, glowing star, Telos blockchain, decentralized AI, NFTs, future tech.
Milky Way Telos, my one and only.